motherfuckers better get ready, because we coming. We coming strong and hard. Yeah!
Through there a while ago. Was you happy with it?
We just getting started, man. We just
For real?
Oh yeah.
That was the baby tune?
That was it. That was the first fucking time out.
For real?
For real. I mean, I went over to the Batman, but I got there midnight. They closed at like 11:30.
Yeah.
I'm standing there trying to catch a light, and them fucking lights are off.
Yeah.
He finally like, go, and I was like, bam, 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 bam. You know, I just pulled it out of storage, man. Sitting 4 years.
Damn.
Same tires, same everything.
Damn,
motherfuckers better get ready, because we coming. We coming strong and hard. Yeah!
I'm ready.
Get some of them motherfuckers. Get some new skins on this bitch.
It's finna
go. A little bit of, tinkering on,
Yeah, get the bugs out of
flip
it.
some motherfuckers over. Bet that.
Kenny Barfeild taking on Hell Yeah, y'all. Oh, here you go, y'all. He put some more power in it for real, y'all. He put some more power in it for real.
Yeah! Hell yeah! Get ready for motherfucking hell now! Hell no, I'm coming. I'm coming with a vengeance, man. Y'all motherfuckers ain't gonna like me. No, man, I just appreciate to be out here with everybody.
Yeah.
And I hope to see y'all. I hope to see all these motherfuckers out here. I love the competition. I just won't be in the middle of it, man.
Yeah.
Just do the best I can.
Y'all ready, man.
Good to see my old beats. He's
in hell. I mean, hell no. That's what he said. He's coming hell no.
Y'all gonna like hell now. This motherfucker like no other.
For real?
Oh yeah, it's coming.
Oh, you got a new something coming out? Damn.
He just playing with them.
Oh, this just.
What I got right now, like I said, we trying to knock the dust off this bitch.
Yeah.
And it's a little rough up here to start. We didn't, they're trying to tell me, my boys trying to tell me to shut it down. So I said, fuck out of here. We gone. We saving this bitch. Like old Bobby the Goat. We gonna save this motherfucker, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. What the hell he doing?
That's Rambo.
Ooh.
That's Rambo.
Why he look like that? What is the problem, man? I don't want to. Be nice.
That's his daddy, right?
Be nice. Come on now. I don't want no problem. Yeah.
Ain't missed a race in 6 years.
For real?
DMV. And this motherfucker ain't missed a race in 6 years.
Oh.
Hey, watch this. He riding this time. Right
For
there.
real?
No, he ain't.
He can make a pass.
His mama kicked my ass. Tell his mama right there. Relax, Frankie. Relax.
Oh, he be relaxing. Boy, look at that damn face. Look at that one ear. How he lift that one ear up like that?
No. Give him the pound. Come on, you give him a pound. Give him a pound. Hey. Give him a pound. Hey.
Give me a paw. Give me a paw. Come on, come on.
Give him the
Come
pound.
on. Give me one.
Give him the
Give me a paw,
pound.
man. Come on,
You
man.
don't like his picture taking. Hey.
Give me a paw.
Give him a pound.
Come on.
Give him a pound.
Come on, man.
Give him a pound.
Give me. All right.
Give him
All
another
right.
pound.
All right.
Give him another pound.
Give me one more. One more. One more, man.
All right, well, I don't know. You don't like his picture.
Boy, that's a good picture right there.
That motherfucker Rambo right there. That's the baddest
He
dog
gave
in
me
the park.
5, man. He gave me 5. He cool. He cool. He gave me 5.
All right, come on, I got it. I got it.
He gave me 5, so he is cool. I ain't tripping. Hey, you see, I ain't worried about it. I see he cool. Rambo, quit acting like you own XRP, man. Quit acting like you own XRP. You don't own XRP, man.
Working on it. Cut that shit out.
Cut that shit out, Rambo. You know better than that. Woo! Hey, all right.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.